Alright, YouTube fellas. This is Jason Benton. I just wanted to let you know about my duty belt update. I even got a two-way radio in here, in the radio holder. 1024 radio check. 1024 radio check. I don't know if you can hear it. 10-4 radio check. And here's my cuff keys, flashlight holder, key holder, and two more key holders. And this one, by the way, is a key reel that I bought off Amazon. So don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post bell notifications if you like these kind of videos, and subscribe if you like these kind of videos. See you later, YouTube. Peace out. Bye.